but it is tough also for those who are not waking up for a long time, right? So what are we discussing here? How to wake up at 5 a.m. My dear friends, you will fail just like I did if you just plan to wake up at 5 a.m. If you are following me, whatever I am teaching you, then it will be so much easy for you. As I wake up easily, you will be able to wake up. And I wake up not 5 a.m., I wake up by 4:34 a.m. Okay, my target is 3 a.m., but even I go to bed by 12 most of the time, so that's why it's at 3. Now you will say how you maintain it, so it's a long story, don't worry. Okay, I don't feel tired or anything like that because I meditate for a long time. The biggest mindset change here, my dear friends, you know what is that? The biggest thing, the important thing here is change in your mindset. The moment when you will change your mindset, okay, then you will be able to wake up early. Waking up at 5 a.m. starts at night, not in the morning. Remember, my dear friends, waking up at 5 a.m. starts at night, not in the morning. Means what? If you have to wake up 5 a.m., then you have to start the journey from the night, not at 5 a.m. early morning. Okay, then only you will be able to wake up. Otherwise, you will say, I will go to bed by 1 a.m. and I will wake up by 5 a.m. Not possible. When you will go to bed by 2 a.m., then you will say, I will wake up at 5 a.m. and after that I will snooze the alarm and I will again go and sleep. Okay, so I am not saying to you to do this, my dear friends. So how to do that we are going to understand. So waking up at 5 a.m. starts at night, not in the morning. Remember, it starts at night. You have to plan your night in such a way by which you should be able to wake up. Okay, what you have to do here, my dear friends, know why you need to wake up at 5 a.m. First of all, you have to know your why. Why you have to wake up at 5 a.m.? Why? Please. First and foremost thing, when you go to bed, you have to read your why, and when you wake up, you have to read your why. Know exactly what you are going to do the moment you wake up, and after that you have to understand what are you going to do when you wake up. It should be not like that you wake up and after that you say, Jyoti, what to do? I don't know, and that's why I'm going to sleep again. It's my different. That's why I'm telling you. You have to prepare everything in advance. Okay, so what you have to do at night, now we are going to talk about that. My dear friends, physically force your body to wake up in the beginning to reset your biological clock. Means what? My dear friends, right now there is a biological clock in your body. At whatever time you wake up, it makes you wake up at that time only. But to install or to break the previous biological clock, you have to physically force yourself. And how will you force yourself to wake up morning? That we are going to discuss in next points. Okay, my dear friends, I'm telling you what is my exact routine, what I follow. I read on my table. Okay, as where I'm recording my video, you can see. So what I do at night, my dear friends, I keep my books, my notes, everything here. Okay, whatever I have to study in the morning or whatever assignment I have, if I have to prepare something on PPT or anything like that, or if I have to prepare the content, then I will keep my laptop also here. Okay, and when I'll wake up, then my dear friends, I know my why. Now what I have to do here. Okay, so I reach there, I just come to the table. After that, what I do, I drink. Okay, I drink especially 3 glasses of water. Okay, so because I take lukewarm water, so as I wake up, I'm giving you my exact routine. I take 3 glasses of water. But you do one thing, you keep a glass of water on a table or anywhere near to where is your study table or where you just usually wake up and go and sit. Okay, keep a glass of water there. My dear friends, what will happen and after that, when you wake up, you have to wake up and you have to go there and you have to drink that water. What will happen when you will drink that water will wake up your other cells, organs. Okay, it will prepare you to wake up. So just drink water. You will say lukewarm, no, it's okay. If you are drinking normal water, it's also fine, no issue at all, right? The next thing, I set the alarm at 5 a.m. and keep my phone away from my bed. If I am going to bed by 12, then I set the alarm for 5, not 5, I set the alarm for 4:30 again, okay. If I am going early, then I set the alarm for 3:30, like that. Now it up to you. What you have to do, you have to set your alarm by 5, okay. And you have to put your alarm afar from you, not just closer to your hand by which you should touch. No, it should be far, by which you should be able to switch off your alarm only when you will wake up from your bed and you will go to that place, okay. So you have to keep your alarm afar. After that, my dear friends, you have to go there, and your water should be also there. Just switch off your alarm, take your water and open your wine. First of all, read your wine. After that, if what you need to do, that thing also we will discuss. My dear friends, read your goal card, okay, before going to bed, means your why. Then, my dear friends, remember, especially when you go to bed, what you have to do, again you have to read your goal card. Especially I told you, I'm also I go to bed almost by 11 to 12 nowadays, okay. Previously I used to go to bed by 12, but sometimes even if I'm walk, then I go by 12. But I manage it because I meditate for long hours, so I don't feel a lot of difficulty for I don't need a long hour of sleep. For me, 4 hours of sleep is enough. 5 hours, maximum 5 hours, not more than that, okay. After that it will be alcoholic for me. Okay. But what you need to do, you need at least 6 hours of sleep, I'll say, okay. So better you go to bed early. I told you after 10 p.m. we don't do anything productive. So what you need to do, you need to go to bed. You have to prepare yourself to go to bed by 10 p.m. Okay, if not possible for you, then just prepare yourself by 11 p.m. So what you need to do, I'll recommend you, don't use your phone after 10 p.m. 9 p.m. okay, my dear friends. We watch videos and all, so what happens, the lights which comes in the phone, it is something like that, it drags your attention, okay, and it makes you sleepless, right? So do not try to remove the lights from your home, okay. If you want to just go to bed early, just switch off the light, okay, from your bedroom, and just you lie down. If you do not feel sleepy, don't worry, take a book, read some pages, okay. 90% people sleep when the book and the pages comes. Even I sleep, okay. You can make me sleep even 9 p.m. also, if you will give me to read while lying on the bed, okay. So, but now you will say lights are off, how can I read? I have another technique, but I will not give you. So please, you don't read the book. I will not give you that technique. Okay. So I apply something. Sometimes I just switch on the. I read by goal card. Actually, as I switch off the light, so I have to read my goal card also when I will go to bed. So just little bit from my mobile light, I read my goal card. Okay, and not with the flashlight. Flashlight is also very much. Okay, with the only a little bit light, I just read my goal card. So, but you, before going to bed, when the light is switched on, just you read your goal card, okay. I read your wine, then you go to bed. After that, my dear friends, when your alarm rings, never snooze on. Or sometime it will happen, if you have decided to wake up 5 a.m., then you will find, my dear friends, your body, your biological body, if you have why, then it will wake you up by 5 a.m. And one more technique I will give you, very nice hack. On your pillow, write 5 a.m. and tell her, okay, please wake me up at 5 a.m. I have to wake up 5 a.m. You will find most of the time, my dear friends, you will be able to wake up at 5 a.m. or before that, okay. And remember, if before 5 a.m. you wake up by 4:30 a.m. or 4:45 a.m. and if you check your watch, or if you are able to find the timing, then never dare to again go to bed, okay, or do not sleep, okay. If you wake up early, even 30 minutes ago, then wake up. Please don't go and sleep, because when you will go and sleep, that is the most dangerous time to give you sound sleep, okay. So if you wake up before, means a half an hour, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 10 minutes, just wake up, okay. As I told you, take the water. After that, you study, you sit on the table, and you have to do 3 activities. What are those activities? 20 minutes you have to do exercise. Okay, 20 minutes you have to do exercise. 20 minutes you need to read good books, literature, or anything in your field. Okay, and rest 20 minutes meditate. What do you have to do? You have to meditate. Okay, and if you feel sleepy, I will say in the morning, then I will say you replace with some other important work. Do not meditate in, between 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. You meditate after 7 a.m. Okay, because if you are not habitual meditator, then if early morning between that 20 minutes you will meditate, there are chances you will fall asleep. Okay, because I meditate regularly. What happens, I know, for with early meditators, beginners. Okay, so you meditate, but you meditate after having bath. Okay, because the moment and if I'll say, my dear friends, make a habit of having bath early. For me, if you will ask me, when I wake up, first thing I'll take 3 glasses of lukewarm water with amla aloe vera juice. Then I'll get fresh and then I'll go immediately go to bath. I go to bath. I will just see my goal card when I leave my bed at that time only. Okay, then I bath, and after that my 20 even exercise I do after having bath. Okay, because until I do not have bath, I feel my all organs are sleeping. Okay, this is the best factor to wake you up if you can do it. Okay, if you, it up to you. I'm not saying you go and have bath at 5 a.m. because might be your family members get disturbed or you are not habitual, so don't do that. You only do 3 activities, 20 minutes. Okay, but your meditation timing you keep after 7 a.m. Okay, do not keep before 7 a.m. because there are chances then if you will go to meditate but you will start sleeping. Okay, so that again, that will be wastage of time. You will feel very relaxed because you have not meditated, you have slept there. Okay, so don't do that. The next thing, my dear friends, which is very much important, and that is, yeah, if you are waking up 5 a.m. and if you are going to bed by 11 p.m. almost or 10 p.m., then in daytime might be you will feel tired. Okay, so how to manage that tiredness, that's also very important thing. Here, my dear friends, I'll give you very good hack. You can take a mini nap. Okay, and what is a mini nap? If possible, if you're at home or something like that, you can take a nap for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, okay, and not more than that. Okay, or even if you're taking 50 minutes, it's okay and fine, but not more than 1 hour at all. Okay, 30-40 minutes, I'm telling you only. But if you are at workstation, if you are at job, and in that case, what you will do, Jyoti, I can't sleep, there is no bed in my office to sleep. Okay, so what you can do, you can also take mini nap of from 2 minutes to 10 minutes. Okay, and how to take it, my dear friends, you know, in next video I will give you how to take mini nap. Okay, otherwise, you know, the moment, simple hack I'm giving you, the moment when you feel sleepy now, just tell the people, hey, I want some relaxation, I'm coming back, and just find the couch, sofa, somewhere comfortable place. Okay, just close your eyes for a moment, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, and that time try to take rest or try to take sleep. You will find, my dear friends, in that 2 minutes, okay, or 5 minutes, you will feel relaxation of 1 hour. Okay, even 2 minutes of mini nap can give you relaxation of 2 hours if you will do it practically for a longer time, right? The next thing is that, my dear friends, we will discuss, that is, you know, at night we have to have our dinner early, because if we are taking up our dinner late, my dear friends, then it will be very much tough to wake up at right time, right? So you have to take your dinner by between 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Okay, then ideally 2 hours it has been said to take your dinner, so just follow this, take your dinner before 2 hours before going to bed. The next thing is that, my dear friends, just keep things which I told you, your, you know, whatever you are going to work at night, just decide what you have to do and decide your work, and that work should be ready to perform. Okay, the next thing is, as I told you, you have to keep a glass of water, step number 2. Then the step number next, my dear friends, set a high volume alarm, okay, and keep it afar. Read your why you have to wake up, then get in bed by 9:15 almost, and then, my dear friends, if you don't feel sleepy, count down back down from 100 to 99. Okay, you will feel sleepy in 100%, there are chances. Okay, then when you wake up, jump from the bed, do not wait, do not rest a single moment more than that. Now, today's task. What is today's task, my dear friends? Only one task today. Follow the 8 steps which I gave you. Wake up 5 a.m. tomorrow. You have to wake up from tomorrow daily 5 a.m. Okay, and those steps I will send you in the WhatsApp group. Okay, I'm only going to open the WhatsApp group for posting between 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. for tomorrow. I want you to post I am awake, this line only, I am awake, okay? And my dear friends, from 5 a.m. tomorrow, I will read everybody's message. If you complete the task, you will be big one step, okay, closer to your dream, my dear friends. In fact, tomorrow will be the beginning of the rest of your life. So this is today's task, okay? And today's task I'm going to post also. You have to wake up tomorrow 5 a.m. You have to post in the group at 5 a.m. right? Bye bye, take care, have a great day, all morningers, okay? My dear friends, we will meet again day 3rd, okay? Best of luck till that time. Bye.